The Xiaomi H40 looks impressive on paper. 10,000 PA suction, LDS navigation, mopping, and an auto empty dock with a 4-liter dash bag that Xiaomi says can last up to 90 days. For everyday cleaning, especially on hard floors with the pet hair, that combination makes the H40 a surprisingly strong budget option. The anti-tangle brush and app-based room mapping are also genuinely useful, but don't get too excited with the 10 kPa number. That's the maximum turbo rating, and Xiaomi itself notes that actual performance varies. Battery life also drops when you crank up the suction. The 210 ml water tank is relatively small, so the mopping side is better for maintenance than serious scrubbing. The H40 is a strong value for people who want automated vacuuming, decent mopping, LiDAR mapping, and self emptying without going into premium territory. Just don't buy it expecting the cleaning performance of a much more expensive flagship robot.